Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot and Western Supermare, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car has great smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You get 18-inch alloy wheels, rear parking sensors, there's DAB digital radio, dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and you get cruise control with a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.